Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see exclusive copper jerry series in Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have 9 different colors in this video. We are going to see all these sarees. All are very beautiful color combinations. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations. Also, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So all these sarees are double warp sarees, fully copper jari, a very beautiful design, a very hit design in our collection. So please don't skip the video. Watch this video fully for all the color combinations. Now let's get started. This is the first saree, a beautiful violet with beige combination. A saree comes in a beautiful violet. In that you have a small floral motifs and a striped designs which runs all over the saree in copper jari and a rich pallu in copper jari. This is the pallu. So you will get a contrast blouse in beige color, a very beautiful color combination, and this design comes all over the saree till end of the saree. You will get this design, a rich work saree. So the next color is a brown with beige combination, a stunning color combination. As you can see, the copper jari is visible in this color. It looks very beautiful. You will get a contrast beige blouse, plain blouse. So this is a full saree, a stunning color combination. Next is a bottle green with beige combination. So this design comes all over the saree. All over the saree you have this puttas. There is no gap, so it gives you a rich look. All these are soft silk sarees, very flexible to wear, very lightweight sarees. Next is a very beautiful color combination. So if you want to book these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. A WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. I'll add a link below in the description box. You can click on the link and share the screenshot for booking. All these sarees are purely handloom made soft silk sarees. Comes with a SILKMARK certified. So we have a SILKMARK certified for all our sarees. A beautiful golden shade with blue combination. All are very bright color combination and are very different color combinations. So please don't wait, please do book your saree right away. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. Next is a peacock blue with beige combination. You can see the shine on the saree. It's a cross color, peacock blue with a beige color combination. So if you want to book this saree, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. We have more collections coming from our loom. So if you want to see all those collections, please do subscribe our channel so that you will get notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. Also, you can visit us directly as well for more collections. Wholesalers and shop owners, those who are watching, you can contact us for more details. And our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So you can visit us directly as well for more collections. A beautiful pink with blue combination. So all this color or cross color dual shade which gives a shining look when you wear it. All are exclusive copper jari series and a very beautiful design. A last color is a peach with green combination. So hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends and family. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do WhatsApp us for booking. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.